question deals with treasury bills. So notice that for a treasury bill there is no grace period, and secondly, the face value of the bill is what it is worth when it matures. Now in this question we know that the maturity date, the face value of the bill, is $1 million. So now we need to calculate what price was paid for a $1 million treasury bill of 182 days with a yield of 4.02%. This is therefore a present value problem. Now notice that there's two parts to this. First of all, let's calculate the present value paid by the dealer. So the dealer buys a treasury bill with a face value of $1 million. He doesn't pay that much, of course. He pays less because he pays the present value of the note 182 days before it matures. Recall again, no grace period. This is not a promissory note. So we can calculate the present value of the note in the normal way. P equals S. So S is the maturity value of $1 million. And we are given a yield rate, an interest rate of 4.02% and 182 days. So that gives the present value of 980.348.97. So that is how much the dealer would have had to pay 182 days before its maturity. On the same day, he sold the same bill to somebody else, therefore the same number of days, but the yield was less. It was only 3.8%. Because the yield was less, there is some difference in the present value, and this is what profit the dealer makes. So look at line 2 here, the second step. We have the same maturity value of $1 million, but now the rate is slightly different. The time is the same. We calculate the present value again. P equals S over 1 plus RT. So you notice here the difference between this present value and this present value is only the difference in the interest rate. The yield rate here is different. That's the only difference between them. And so we get a different present value of 981,020.35. So somebody else would have paid him slightly more, therefore he makes a profit, and the profit he makes is the difference between the two. So the dealer's profit, the difference between the two present values, 671.38. Thank you.